Okay, good day everyone and welcome! Sa session na to, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba talaga binabago ng Microsoft Foundry ang laro pagdating sa paggamit ng AI for business. So tara, simulan na natin!
So eto yung magiging agenda natin for today. We'll start with an intro to Microsoft's Foundry, bakit ba siya mahalaga, tapos titingnan natin yung mga real-world business scenarios. From there, dadako tayo sa pagpili ng tamang model at subscription plans, and finally, magkakaroon tayo ng quick summary and next steps. Ready?
Alright, let's start with the basics. Unang-una, ano nga ba talaga itong Microsoft Foundry? At siguro ang mas importanteng tanong for us business leaders, bakit natin to kailangang pag-usapan ngayon?
So in simple terms, isipin nyo na ang Foundry ay ang inyong go-to platform. Ito yung nagbibigay sa atin ng access sa advanced AI capabilities. In a way na, makakapag-innovate tayo ng mas mabilis, mas magiging efficient at syempre mas maganda yung customer experience na maibibigay natin. At ang pinakamaganda, lahat yan nang hindi sinasakripisyo yung enterprise-grade security and compliance. It's a complete package.
Okay, so now that we know what it is, let's talk about why it matters. Kasi, you see, Foundry is more than just another piece of technology. Ito yung foundation, yung pundasyon para sa responsible innovation. And that foundation is built on three core pillars. Una, yung enterprise-grade security and compliance. So, safe yung data nyo. Pangalawa, yung scalability and integration. Pwede kayong mag-start small and then grow from there, walang problema. At pangatlo, which is very important today, ay yung generative AI na may guardrails. So you get all the creative power pero meron pa ring governance and control. Ito yung nagbibigay sa atin ng confidence to innovate.
At itong slide na to, I think, perfectly shows the difference. Kasi, sa isang banda, kapag unmanaged yung AI, you're looking at risks like data leaks, inaccurate outputs, and compliance gaps. But on the other hand, with Foundry, you get the benefits, enterprise security, built-in governance, cost monitoring, and global compliance. Parang night and day, di ba? You're basically avoiding all the common headaches.
I really like this quote. Think of safety features as your organization's seatbelt for AI. Ganda ng analogy, no? Kasi parang sa kotse, you wanna go fast, you wanna innovate, pero kailangan mo ng seatbelt. Ito yung nag-ensure na lahat ng output ng AI nyo ay aligned sa inyong standards at brand values. It prevents those very costly mistakes.
Okay, so malinaw na yung what and why. Ngayon, ang tanong, paano natin to gagamitin? Let's talk about the practical side, applying AI to real-world challenges. Let's connect Foundry sa mga pang-araw-araw na problema sa ating mga business.
So ito yung mga core tools sa loob ng inyong Foundry Toolkit. For example, you have Azure Vision. Perfect yan for automating quality control sa production line. Meron ding Azure Language para maintindihan nyo yung sentiment ng customer feedback. Document Intelligence naman para sa mabilis na pag-process ng mga forms at invoices. Tapos Azure Search para mahanap agad ng mga empleyado nyo yung information na kailangan nila. And then, Foundry itself orchestrates everything para may governance.
Now, let's put it all together with a real-world example, insurance claims. So step 1, yung Azure Vision, titingnan niya yung photos ng car damage. Step 2, document intelligence, kukunin niya yung details from the claim forms. Then step 3, Azure Language, isusummarize niya yung mga notes. Tapos step 4, hahanapin ng Azure Search yung relevant policy info. At yung step 5, ang Foundry ang bahalang mag-orchestrate ng buong process to ensure compliance. Imagine, a process that used to take days, now done in hours. Ang laking difference.
So at the end of the day, ito ang pinaka-importante. It's all about connecting your goals to business value. Gusto niyong i-automate ang inspections? Use Azure Vision. Ang value? Faster defect detection. Gusto niyong i-process ang invoices? Use Document Intelligence. Ang value? Lower operational costs. The key is to match the right solution to the right goal. That's how you get real, measurable ROI.
Okay, so you have a business problem and you know the tools available. The next logical question is, anong AI model ang dapat kong gamitin? Let's figure out the right approach for your goals.
And this is a very crucial question. Kasi, saan ka ba magsisimula?
Yung pagpili nyo ng model, it directly affects your cost, your performance, and of course, your compliance. So paano nga ba pumili ng tamang-tama lang yung right-sized para hindi masayang ang budget at manatiling compliant?
So, etong table na to ang magiging guide natin. For common tasks like OCR, pre-built tools will do the job. Fastest time to value yan. Now, for more complex tasks, you can use Foundry models. Kapag kailangan naman na yung sagot ng AI ay based sa sarili ninyong data, dyan papasok yung RAG or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Isipin nyo, parang open book test yan for the AI. At kung kailangan nyo talaga ng sobrang specialized na AI for niche tasks, yun yung fine-tuning. Parang in-enroll nyo yung AI sa isang master's degree sa inyong specific na field.
And this is probably the best advice I can give you. Start simple. Huwag nating i-complicate. Gamitin muna yung mga pre-built services for well-defined tasks. Mag-expand lang kayo to the more powerful foundation models or fine-tuning kapag klaro na talaga yung business case. This approach minimizes risk and gets you to your ROI much faster.
Alright, let's talk about the money. Kasi kahit gaano kaganda ang technology, kailangan pa rin nating i-manage yung costs. So paano ba yung pricing? Let's understand the subscription models to maximize your ROI.
Basically, you have two main options here. Sa kaliwa, yung pay-as-you-go. Perfect ito for pilot projects or kung yung workload nyo ay pabago-bago. It's flexible, walang upfront commitment. Sa kanan naman, yung prepaid. This is best for mature, predictable workloads, mas mababa yung unit cost dito at mas madaling mag-budget. At para matulungan kayo, here are 5 top strategies for cost optimization. Number 1, start small with pay-as-you-go. 2, right-size your models. Huwag laging yung pinakamalaki. 3, i-optimize nyo yung repetitive tasks. 4, and this is very important, monitor your usage using Azure tools. At 5, i-take advantage nyo yung discounts for predictable workloads. Simple steps, but they make a huge difference.
Okay, we've covered a lot of ground. So let's do a quick recap. Ano ba yung mga key takeaways from our session today? So to summarize, first, Foundry is your key to secure, compliant, and scalable AI adoption. Second, always match the right tool to the right business need para high-impact yung result. Third, choose your model approach wisely. Start simple. Fourth, i-align nyo yung pricing model sa inyong adoption stage. And fifth and finally, always monitor and optimize your costs to get the best ROI. Yan po yung buod ng ating pinag-usapan. So, I'll leave you with this one question to think about. Sa inyong business ngayon, anong workflow or process ang sa tingin nyo ang magkakaroon ng pinakamalaking impact kapag in-automate or in-enhance natin using AI? Think about that one thing you can start with. Sana naging makabuluhan itong ating discussion on your journey with Microsoft Foundry. Maraming salamat sa inyong oras at para sa mas marami pang training modules na tulad nito, please follow DX Labs.